No, sir.
And Sabita, Alice, can say so.
No, sir.
Sabita, Sabita, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sabita, please confirm me whether you hear me or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till now any doubt you have been facing?
No.
Okay, so we just started configuration of 2006, 2001, or we just going for the doubt class today? What do you want, guys?
Leave in the system.
Yes, tell me, Sabita.
No, you was started leave management in the system.
Okay, so then we should start it according to our plan.
Yes.
So leave management. So first info type we have to maintain 2001. Who tell me why? Why we have maintained 2006? Any idea? Just a minute. I have not shared screen now. Just
2006, sir.
yeah, that is
To options quota, sir.
very good. So who can tell me why we need absence quota first and then we going for the absence? Anyone any idea?
Because if you do not have a quota, then how we will apply for leave? Like not
Perfect.
eligible for getting
Yeah,
the leave.
perfect. See, the concept is very simple. Okay. Suppose you have not you saving amount. Okay. Suppose you have not saving any amount. So can you buy a laptop? Is it possible? Just a minute, guys. Someone calling me. Just a minute. हाँ सचिन का रूम रे अछई আরে রুম ভিতরে অছই অফিস কাম করছই ক Okay, sorry guys. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Why I'm maintaining first quota then going to the absence? Anyone? Very good. See, the concept is very easy, okay? Suppose you have not fixed any amount. Suppose you have not saving 50 or 60,000. So can you buy a laptop? No, because you have some amount. If you have not some amount, so can you buy a laptop? Just a minute. काम सादा. Okay, so have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the most important part is you having some amount to buy a laptop. Okay. Suppose you have not amount. Suppose you have not saving of 50 to 60,000. So can you buy a laptop? No, it's not possible. Whenever you buy a laptop now, you having some money. Okay. And suppose you have not having some money. So can you buy a laptop? It's not possible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the concept is very simple. First, you just saving your money, then you buy a laptop or mobile, whatever scenario. The same concept. Okay. Yes, Bhagyasri. Bhagyasri, can you hear me? Bhagyasri, please confirm me. Can you hear me now? Bhagyasri, please confirm me. Okay, let's forget. Yes.
Yes, sir. What you're saying?
Yeah, I am asking what do you mean by absence quota and what do you mean by absence?
Sir, there is disturbance in your voice.
I am asking
Hello.
absence quota and absence. What do you mean by absence quota and absence?
Absence.
I am asking
Sir,
what do you mean by
absence.
absence quota and absence. See, in PDF also I mentioned absence quota and absence. What do you mean by absence quota and absence?
Absence means if any employee is not able to attend, is not able to present that day, it's absence.
I am asking what do you mean absence quota and absence. Who can guide him? Guide her? Ravinder, can you explain what do you mean absence quota and absence to Bhagyasri?
Yes, sir. Uh,
Yes, Ravinder, tell.
hello. Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Hello.
Ravinder,
Bhagyasri,
please.
can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Before the candidate before joining time, there is no leaves is not available. Once the candidate join as an employee, after 15 days or 1 month, they are receive leaves. They are eligible for PA.
Yeah.
Let time. Savita, can you explain Bhagyasri?
Yes, sir. When employee joins the company, at that time he is not eligible for any leave because he do not have that leave bucket, a leave quota. Like after a
Right.
certain period of time, employee will get like certain amount of leave, so that he can apply for the leave.
Okay.
Whatever that is given by the company, that is known as quota. It's maybe monthly, it's maybe yearly. So most probably they are giving a yearly basis 24 and monthly it should be 2. Suppose yearly basis given 12, it should be monthly 1. Okay. So this is the scenario, the quota is given to you. Then according to that quota, you deduct your absence. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I am some function. Actually, there is some heavy noise from my backend, so I cannot giving the training. So can you reschedule tomorrow or next Tuesday? What do you want? Because I am now in a
Yeah,
presentation.
tomorrow it is okay, sir.
Tomorrow 8 to 9, okay for everyone. Only for one day
Yes, sir.
because I am in a function now, so I cannot giving the proper training. So you having some issue, I am also having some issue. So can you manage one
No
day for
issue,
me?
sir.
So can you manage one
Yes,
day
sir.
for me? Okay, Sesu having some issue and I guess
Sir, today I'm not at home. That's why it's difficult to join.
okay.
Sir,
Okay,
Tuesday
so
will be okay.
okay. So we started leave management from the next week of Tuesday. Okay.
Yeah, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, so I am extremely sorry because I am in outside. There is heavy noise, so I don't think that I can give you proper training. So we should start it Tuesday. Okay.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Hi guys, thank you so much. Have a
Okay, sir.
great weekend. So extremely sorry for today, whatever happening. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Have a great.